What's up guys? Nokia is going to launch a TV set in India and in other countries. According to a joint announcement with the retailer Flipkart, it will be built entirely in the country and will likely be limited to that market. Until now, we only knew that the Nokia Smart TV will have a JBL audio, but recently it got certified by BIS Bureau of Indian Standards with a 55-inch 4K Ultra HD panel. According to a report, the 55-inch TV will boot Android Pie and will come with a Google Play Store pre-installed. It will have an intelligent dimming technology which should offer better contrast with deeper blacks thanks to an algorithm similar to what other makers call local dimming or micro dimming. The Nokia TV is expected to launch in early December and should be competition to OnePlus TV, Mi TV and Motorola TV. The smartphone brand's turning to TV surely is an unusual turn of events, but that is one way to capitalize on growing market of streaming services. If Nokia launches this TV at an aggressive price, then Nokia can easily occupy the market which Mi has occupied already. This is all we know about the upcoming Nokia Smart TV. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.